If I want to have it in that insurance, cause under the insurance, it pays for the space.
And all that.
Or be put out and everything. And it's unlimited business. But for her, celebrate, I had to say like $12 still. So they gonna tell you to watch if your dog is sneezing and all that, like, they'll let us see anything. They're gonna be at your time.
You gotta hold the Coco little tag thing, yeah.
And so Coco, when she took the I guess the polio shot, they had to give her a dose, a shot of Benadryl. Then they gave her the medicine.
Pay for each shot.
No, I just had to pay for the Benadryl shot. But all the other shots, under that, yeah. But the Benadryl shot, not, they said all the doctors are like that, allergic to a lot of the shots. So before she get a polio shot, she had to take the Benadryl shot.
That's what she is, a doctor.
A miniature doctor. Or as they call her, a Chewini. Funny.
But they said she was, but I wanted a doctor.
They got black ones.
Mine ain't probably just you.
They got, I think it's some black, I think they black.
Yeah,
The
they
color
like
black.
brown.
Yeah. I was happy you ain't get no weenie dog. I was gonna tell you I was gonna neglect that weenie dog.
I just need y'all to one of them with people. That boy that was deal with me, that white boy, he got one.
Whoa.
He got a weenie dog. Yeah, it's weird like a people and he got a body. Now, I don't know, he said he got it from some dude. Right.
Probably that spirit.
I just tried.
Just on the.